Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video, I'm going to show you top 5 best applications for your Android device. So, let's begin. Number 1, 2amps. Guys, this is charging animation application for your Android device. Look at these many beautiful charging animations available on this app. Smooth animations, beautiful patterns, like this. Simply set permissions, simply tap and save, lock your device, and look at this new charging animation on your Android device. And this is completely look like stock charging animation for your Android device. Okay, number 2, volume scroll. Guys, this application helps you scroll reels with your volume buttons. Actually, this application convert your volume buttons into scrolling button. So, first set scroll amount, set scroll type, and set on long press for show your volume panel, and set application. Simply tap and enable. Look at this. I select Instagram and let me show you. Now look at this. I scroll reels with volume buttons. Okay. Number 3, Comfort Launcher. Guys, this is beautiful launcher with unique style. Look at this animated wallpaper, and if you go to app drawer, look at this beautiful app drawer. This is completely unique launcher for your Android device. If you go to setting, first you have to set default launcher. If you go to settings, many customization options available on this launcher. You also set application layouts, icon pack shapes, app drawer application layouts. Every option available on this launcher. Next application is Value Wallpaper. Guys, you found lots of minimal beautiful wallpapers on this app with beautiful categories. Look at these many beautiful minimal wallpapers you found on this app. Simply tap and apply home screen and lock screen. And next application is, guys, this is Nothing Style weather widget on your Android device. Look at this completely Nothing Style weather widget. You also add weather widget on your home screen. Look at this. This is completely Nothing Style weather widget on your Android device. Font UI complete in Nothing Style. So this is top 5 applications you need to install on your Android device. Guys, these all applications download link available on description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.